Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming your phone already has a registered fingerprint and Snapchat is updated. Once done, open Snapchat, tap your profile, then the gear icon to open settings. Make sure your device-level fingerprint is working because Snapchat will rely on it. If it isn't, register a finger in phone settings. Now scroll to the security or passcode area inside Snapchat to begin creating a lock. This initial setup is required before enabling. You need to create an in-app passcode before turning on Fingerprint Unlock, because the app uses that as a fallback. So tap Passcode or Security, choose Create Passcode, and enter a short numeric code you'll remember. Once the passcode is set, toggle on Use Touch ID or Use Fingerprint inside the same menu. This links Snapchat to the system biometric. It uses your device's secure fingerprint store, so it never transmits fingerprints off your phone. Finish by locking the app and opening Snapchat to verify the fingerprint prompt appears and unlocks the app. If it doesn't, make sure your device fingerprint sensor is clean, then re-register the finger in phone settings and retry enabling the toggle inside Snapchat. Also remember the numeric passcode you created. It's the fallback when biometrics fail. If problems persist, restart your phone and update both the OS and Snapchat before trying again, which usually resolves intermittent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.